Good morning. Welcome back, everyone. Just about 14 minutes before 7. Well, on top of shopping for clothes and school supplies, local health professionals hope you will add scheduling a physical to your back-to-school list. Gundersen Lutheran nurse practitioner Pat Karpinsky is here this morning to explain why your child's physical should be at the top of your list. Good morning, Pat. Thanks for joining us.
Good morning. Thanks for having me.
Is it too early to start thinking about that physical?
Not at all. This is the best time to be thinking about it. Appointments are available and practitioners are ready to see the children.
Now, when you go in for those physicals, what are doctors looking for and what should parents be asking their physicians to look for?
Well, when we do a physical, we are looking at the student's medical history. We are doing a complete examination. A very important factor is the immunizations of the student. And we use this as an opportunity to talk to the child or adolescent about healthy lifestyle, health concerns that they may have that are appropriate for their age group.
You know, a lot of these kids go in because they have to, because they play a sport, either at the middle school or high school level. What about kids that are not involved in sports? What do they do? Should they still be going in? Because a lot of times you can get away with not, going in for that exam.
They should still be coming in because it's a wonderful opportunity for them to work with their healthcare provider on any health concerns that they may have. So they are going to have a good school year and be able to perform not only on the athletic field but also in the classroom.
You know, a lot of times kids are pretty healthy. If they don't have their own physician or a family physician, who do you call to make these appointments?
Well, certainly they may establish with a new healthcare provider. That could be in a pediatric department, in a family medicine department, or at one of the regional clinics. We at Express Care, which is where I work, also do the sports physicals, the daycare physicals, the types of physicals that will get your child ready for school.
So Express Care, that might be a good option, especially if you don't have any medical insurance.
It's a very good option for a variety of issues.
Mm-hmm. And are those appointments hard to get, easy to get?
Express Care is a walk-in clinic. Now we are having a couple of sports physical days where we are taking scheduled appointments, but for all the other patients it's a walk-in.
Okay, so really easy to do then.
Extremely easy.
And now is the time.
Now is the time, because as we get closer to school, we'll get busier and busier, and it's a good thing to think of at this point in time.
Mm-hmm. If you don't sneak in before the school year begins, I would assume, but correct me if I'm wrong, these appointments are available. You can get in for a physical year-round.
That's correct.
All right. Well, Pat, thank you so much for joining us this morning. A couple different options to get that back-to-school physical scheduled if you live in and around the La Crosse area. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right.